don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. To my fans on the TV, it's the Nedbank Cup, Kaizer Chiefs 2, Orlando Pirates 1. I'm joined by Papa Bashimani.
Asibo, yona. Coach namhlanje usibulele.
Too much.
Truly speaking yadingakala ebholeni ne. Uyabona the time bakhipha uMakhawula.
Yeah.
Chiefs akuthole umdlandla.
Yeah.
La suswini Joe bese singekho at all. Lento lenze namuhla coach uyenze ku CAF.
Yes. Yes.
Same thing today. Mina bathi bakhipha uMakhawula ngathi the game is over. Kaizer Chiefs. Ejo ngisuka le kamdlandla lejo. Ngize labo bona Steve imali yami yonke lebekumele Andile imali yami Steve.
Imali ebha.
Mara the coach onengakhona Steve bona. Bengumthanza coach wami. Mara namuhla namhlanje disappointed bukwela.
Very disappointed.
Disappointed. Ejo bezidlala kamnandi. Bebe right. But anyway kukhosi. Ngoba bafike nje ku final ngemancongotela mara bayiwinile namhlanje akunanto namhlanje nje abangaropanga ne uwine fair square ne but anyway coach nabe kuhamba nabo akunankinga bafethu sichubekele support nelibhakaniya number 1 bhakaniya Papa Bashimani bafethu
Bathi ukhala ngocoach wakho.
Ngiyakhala uma ku wrong
It's wrong.
coach ukhipha Makhawula uni go ahead to Kaizer Chiefs mfethu imidli fitted beyiphuwa ngabe ukhipha Tito
Yes.
Dlamini ayela sikomota da
Yes.
Kaizer Chiefs besishayile mfethu
ndoda.
bathi namuhla ngiyakhala yabona buka ngisukeleke into layidebele into lose mfethu hawa ngeke
Man of the match.
man of the match uwe yimi yo uzilo lomuntu ujabulile musi kuyafana thina sidiwe musi man of the match ngobani man
Utita umuphi?
Utito usidisile ke namuhla
Utito udlisile?
ngisabiyela kamdlandla ekhaya
Kuyikwara utita udlisile.
bukela namhlanje siso coach ucoach ngabe ukhipha uTito bafaka uDlamini akasalami ngalitshiyami akunankinga
Ucoach akafani.
Hayi sifani shaka salama